Technivorous channel is brought to you by these fine Patreon supporters. If you'd like to check us out on Patreon, pop over to www.patreon.com/Technivorous. That's TECHNIVOROUS. Here, we do our best to stay up to date on the latest and greatest in 3D printing and tech, and keep you informed on the latest developments in these sectors. So, if you're interested in getting updates on 3D printing or technology such as programming, robotics, artificial intelligence, and things of that nature, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, leave a like on this video, and comment about what you'd like to see in the future, because we make these videos for you.
Hey folks, Technivorous here. Now this is the spool holder. It actually goes this way for the FLSun Q5. Now if you get a good look at that, let me turn it here. You see it does fit through this rather thin Kodak spool quite nicely, and this spool is, as I said, one of the thinner ones that I have on hand. I do have some other spools that are a little bit thicker like this one, and as you can see, it doesn't go all the way through. That can be a problem if you're trying to print with a larger spool on a machine like this. So the thing that we decided to do was go ahead and jump into Fusion 360, which I'll show you in just a second here, and develop our own spool holder, which is quite a bit longer and now holding one of my larger spools, and that is a lot more stable than, say, trying to rig something up as you're printing. So this is the extended spool holder for the FLSun Q5 right here, right now. And as promised, here is the making of the FLSun Q5 extended spool holder. I'm just going to run through it really quickly and you can kind of see what's going on. And then we will go ahead and jump to the printer. So I've actually already printed the file at the time of making this video. I'm right now putting this file up on Thingiverse and myminifactory. I'll make sure to include the links below. But it is pretty simple. It is basically the same design as the other one, except it is a little bit rounded on top to allow for smoother rolling. And other than that, it's just longer. So I did put this little tab on the end here to keep spools from rolling off if they did get a little heavy towards that end and start sliding. Just a little lip to catch the spool. And from what I've seen in testing, this thing seems to be pretty sturdy and up to anything. I did print it with 100% infill, and that seems to have helped quite a bit with the strength, but it is holding a full spool right now as I'm printing a lithophane, so it's working pretty well. And there you have it, the extended spool holder for the FLSun Q5 Delta Mini. So this guy will now hold a large spool, as you can see, as well as several other spool sizes that were previously unable to fit on the somewhat shorter stock mount. So I will make this file available both on myminifactory and on Thingiverse. Feel free to download them and share them around, and let me know if you make any modifications. I'm always curious to see people's prints of the things that I have created. So that said, that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Well, that's it, guys. That's going to wrap up this video. If you've noticed the shirt, the merch is available. Go ahead and check out the Teespring merch link down below. It won't be available on a channel store until I reach 10,000 subscribers, and so far I am just about to hit 5,000. So it'll be a little while, a couple more months before you see this on the actual channel, but they are available now. I have a couple other designs. Feel free to pop over there and check them out, and know that any purchase through the Teespring site definitely helps to promote our site here and increase the channel's ability to make videos in the future. So we appreciate all your support. Don't forget to check out the Teespring link, check out our Patreon link, leave a like on this video, and hit that subscribe button, because we have a lot more coming at you in the coming days.